Welcome. Today we are here at 34 West Poplar Street, Unit 504 in Columbus, Ohio. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath penthouse. It is located very conveniently in the North Market District, very close to Nationwide Arena, Short North, OSU campus, lots of entertainment and shopping. As you just saw from the kitchen, it does come with stainless steel appliances, granite countertop, and here we have the laundry room with washer and dryer provided. There's a utility closet, that is where the hot water tank and furnace are located. Right off of the laundry room and kitchen area is your half bath. This penthouse offers beautiful hardwood floors, spacious dining room, living room area, our first room that we will be going into is the spare bedroom. The spare bedroom does also offer a full bath. The bathroom also offers the granite top counters. Come back out here into the bedroom. This home does offer 2,063 square feet of fine living. Also in the spare bedroom is the access to the patio. So we pan back around, we'll come back out of the bedroom and back into the living room, dining room area. And as you can see, straight across the hallway is where we enter into the master bedroom. You can visit us at www.propertymanagementpros.com. You can also reach us by telephone at 614-505-6212. This is the closet that is in the master bathroom. As you can see, there is lots of space. It does come internet connection capability. This is the master bathroom with dual sinks. It also offers a stand-up shower with bench. Beautiful ceramic design. In the master bathroom also, there is a linen closet. This concludes our tour today of 34 West Poplar Street, Unit 504. And again, you can visit us at www.propertymanagementpros.com or by calling us at 614-505-6212. We thank you for taking this tour with us today and hope to hear from you soon.